Hello good people. Welcome to the Review Plus channel. In this video, we will try to list best 5 microwave ovens. We tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Thank you. Number 5. Amazon Basics Microwave. Now it's easier to defrost vegetables, make popcorn, cook potatoes, and reheat rice. Automatically reorder popcorn when you run low, and save 10%. Compact size saves counter space, plus 10 power levels, a kitchen timer. Alexa is always getting smarter, and adding new presets. External dimensions, width, height, depth 17.3 inch by 10.1 inch by 14.1 inch. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Sharp 1000W. Overall, 12-inch height by 20.3 inch width by 14.9 inch depth, overall product weight, 29.3 pounds. Carousel turntable system, LED digital timer and digital clock. 5 auto cook programs, 4 one-touch cook programs. Time defrost and weight defrost. 1.1 cubic foot capacity microwave oven with 1000 watts of power. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Panasonic NS651B. This 1250 watt high power, 2.2 cubic foot capacity. Inverter technology with turbo defrost, patented inverter technology. Large family size, this countertop microwave with 16.5 inch. Smart cooking settings with Genius sensor. This inverter microwave keeps soups, gravies. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Toshiba M131A 5CBS. Pre-programmed sensor menu for optimum heating of popular foods. Black stainless steel exterior, 20.5 by 17.1 by 12.8 inch, width, depth, height. 1100 watts with 10 power settings, clock, and kitchen timer. Large digital display, easy to read control panel, glass turntable. 1 touch start popcorn and 2 defrost settings. Please check the description for details and best price. And number 1. Panasonic NS651B. This 1200 watt high power, 1.2 cubic foot capacity black countertop. Inverter technology with turbo defrost. This countertop microwave with 13.4 inch turntable is thinner. Smart cooking settings with Genius sensor. This inverter microwave keeps soups, gravies, or desserts warm. Please check the description for details and best price.